In my mind, it is not a standard planetary coating system, because the guys who are longer in the coating market knows this technology since 20 years. Innovative coating technology is a technology which provides smaller parts and parts with internal drives with zinc flake in a perfect quality and in a huge quantity. My name is Janis Barth. I work as sales manager by WMV in Germany, and today we have the honor of talking about the innovation in the coating market. In the partnership IOT, Durkin, WMV, we created the new Pulz technology, the unique Pulz technology. The Pulz technology avoids unnecessary costs, increase your turnover each year, and let you work in a future-oriented way. If we take a short insight in the presentation, I will show you why. A standard planetary coating system or single basket system, which I call the classic coating system or the state of the art, provides smaller parts of internal drives with agglomerations inside the head. You can see at the left here, these are real shots from IOT, which they checked in the past, and you can see the agglomerations. In the 3D image you can see that we can't penetrate the bit completely inside the head, and that means we have poor bit functions. And then we create the new Pulz technology, IOT, Durkin, WMV, and here you can see that we can penetrate the bit completely inside the head, and we have no poor bit function. IOT checked different suppliers and different coating systems in the market. And then they check the penetration depth after the coating. Here you can see in this diagram the blue points are screws which are coated with the classic coating system. Between the red lines the screws are okay and we can use it. But below the second red line you can see there are a lot of screws which have agglomerations inside the head and which we can't use in further processes because then we have a lot of downtimes. So after the tests we create together the new Pulz technology, and you can see now in this diagram the orange points are coated with the new Pulz technology, and you see that each orange point is between the red lines, and we had 100% perfect quality in the tests. Every screw was perfect, and I want to show you these images or these pages because it is really important that you know that if you code with the right technology, you can save a lot of costs. This is a new Pulz technology, Pulz station. We load the Pulz with 120 kilograms each batch. That means 60 kilograms each basket, and we have a cycle time of 3 minutes. Here you can see the process of the Pulz. We load the parts, we dip the parts, and then we spin the parts, spin and reorientate the parts to the same time. And then we unload the parts. 4 steps, 1 step less to the classic coating system. 32 G-forces was required by IOT to get the perfect quality, and because of the huge forces it was necessary to change the single basket system to a 3-chamber system. You see it here at the image, the 3-chamber basket, which we load each chamber with 20 kilograms. And only with the 3-chamber baskets it's possible to get the perfect quality. Also, we save up to 30% coating medium. It is not only because we avoid the agglomerations inside the head and we have the uniformly coating layer around the screw or the parts. It's also because of our coating tank is equipped with the PRS system, the paint recovery system. We move up the paint shield during the spinning process, and the spin-off medium stays inside the tank. So we have a clean pulse station. It's easier for maintenance, and we have a longer lifetime of all parts inside the station because they are clean. Now I want to show you a movie which we created in our technical center. We put a cam inside our baskets and then we made 2 movies. In the right corner you will see a movie where we have only the movement of the main rotating axis, and the bigger one, there we have the movement of the main rotating axis and the satellites to the same time, and you will see the difference. Now we start to spin the parts, and you see in the bigger one we have a real movement of the parts, and there you can see how important it is to have this simultaneous movement of the main rotating axis and the satellites, because only then it's possible to get the quality, because then we get every screw or every part in every position of the baskets, and so we can spin off the medium out of the head of the screw. But which parts are perfectly to code in the Pulz technology? Here are some examples. You can see in the right cap nuts. Cap nuts which were really hard to code in the past with the classic coating system, because then you got not the real good quality. But now you can coat the parts in a huge quantity and get these in a perfect quality with zinc flake. Also we can screws coat up to M2 in a perfect quality. Also washers, nuts, clips. Every smaller parts are perfectly to coat with the Pulz technology. For WMV, it is really important to give our partner and our customer the safety to get the quality what he needs if he buy a line. So we want to invite every partner, every customer to come to Germany in our technical center. You bring your parts with you, and then we will coat your parts in our technical center, and then you will see that you get this quality what you need. Thank you.